Hey there, future road warrior. Ready to learn how to drive like a pro? Don't worry, I've got your back. Let's dive into some tips and tricks to get you started on your driving journey. First things first, getting comfortable is key. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to find your perfect driving position. Once you're settled, it's time to familiarize yourself with the car's controls. Know your pedals, accelerator, brake, and if you're driving a manual, the clutch. Safety always comes first. Buckle up and make sure everyone else in the car is buckled up too. Now start the car with the key or push button, ensuring the gear is in neutral and your foot is on the brake. Ready to roll? Release the handbrake, and if you're in an automatic, put the car in drive. For manuals, shift to the first gear, slowly press the accelerator and gently release the clutch. Feel that you're moving. Steering is all about smooth and controlled movements. Use turn signals to communicate with other drivers and remember to obey traffic rules. If you're driving a manual, shift gears as needed by pressing the clutch and moving the gear stick. Now let's talk about some key tips for both manual and automatic cars. For manual cars, the clutch is your best friend. Press it to change gears and release it smoothly to avoid stalling. Use the brake to slow down and the accelerator to speed up. For automatics, it's a bit simpler. You have modes like park, reverse, neutral and drive. Use park when stopping for good, reverse when backing up, and drive to go forward. Always, and I mean always, use your turn signals. Obey traffic rules, wear your seatbelt, and never drive under the influence. Maintain a safe distance from the car ahead and use your horn wisely. Practice makes perfect, so start on familiar roads before tackling highways. Having an experienced driver by your side can boost your confidence and provide valuable tips. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Take your time and soon you'll be driving like a pro without any fear. That's it for today. Keep practicing and stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome driving tips. Catch you later.